Yeah, a bit. Pretty cool. This is more like it. Yeah. No sun on us. It's okay, thank you. Shirts, whatever Biddy wants. Well, Biddy, what do you think? I know where we are. We actually walked through here. Mobbed. No. So which way did he go? That way. That's what we're gonna do. Well, take a left or something. Now I don't know what to get. I was thinking of painting, but I think a license plate or a magnet. And maybe we just call it. Come on, flag. Do it again. Yeah. Get loose. It's not. There we go. Yeah. Can still go in any of these stores. We have plenty of time. Can grab us another beverage right there if we want to. A little frozen drink. Here's a magnet too. I like the one we got. Yeah, come on. I just want a license plate. Straight through, yeah. All right, I know where mine is. It's right up here. little bit. I'll get you again.
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Turn around and look at me when you get over there. Hola, señor.
Hi, buddy.
All right, what's up?
Yeah, no. Let me see a play. Hey, I have the cucumber right now.
Perfect. Beautiful sunset behind you. Now let's get it. What was he even saying? He was mad, wasn't he?
I don't know what he's talking about. Get out of here.
Want to just get between the 2.6?
Yeah.
Okay. Do it.
Slippery, watch out.
Got it. Beautiful. Magic hour.